Hi, how are you doing today? This is Carlo,
And
and then here we are outside. We're doing the
we try to enjoy the last moment of sun before the day is done.
yes. So
Just I want to show you the details of the quality
yes,
of the hats.
of course. See, so he's going to show you the quality of the hat. So show them, baby.
So it's made in China. So yeah, it's a really good quality. You can receive the rain with any risk to be wet. You can be protected by the sun. So it's for all the seasons, California or Alaska.
This one is big. So tell them about it, baby.
So inside it's yellow. You have a double tissue to protect when it's cold. And yeah, it's a really practical, really light. You can put it like that. You can sit over the hat. You can do
Yes.
what you want with that.
Yeah. So for today, we're going to do the giveaway. Woo! So like what we told you, it's April Fool's, and at the same time, we're going to do the IKEA hat. We have 3 hats that we're going to give away today. We're not going to take any of your time. We're going to go right into it so that you'll know who's gonna be the 3 winners. So we're going to have 3 winners today, and then we're going to use this comment picker. So there's 11 entries on this one, so it's not gonna be too much. So that's kind of like 11 people who's going to compete with this one. And then at the same time, like what I was telling him is that when we send this one, we're going to sanitize it at the same time, so you're not going to feel that with the coronavirus that's going on and what's happening and stuff like that.
You will not receive an additional gift.
So you're going to be protected at the same time, or you're feeling secured about it anyway. So shall we start the giveaway, baby?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so he's going to model this one for us. So wear one, babe. So there you go. So there you go. It's really nice, right? So for the first winner that we're going to have, while he's doing that, I'm going to put it in here. So the first winner of this giveaway is going to be, and it's going to be Flyboo 86. Congratulations to Flyboo 86. You are our winner for the first one. So we're going to pick another one. So for the next one, we're gonna start it, and let's see who's gonna win the second IKEA hat. It's going to be from Jen with Hope. Wow, Jen, congratulations. Woohoo! And then the last one, pick another winner, and then we'll start that. Let's see who's gonna win. The last winner for this IKEA is going to be Loriefel Daligdigan. Loriefel, congratulations. Woohoo! So yeah, so there you go. There you have it. Congratulations for all the winners. We don't we don't memorize who the winners are, but yeah, congratulations on that one. And then congratulations to the winners. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo,
And Seb, bye bye.
we will see you again in the next video, and then invite them to subscribe, baby.
And don't forget to subscribe at our channel, and I will see you next time.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.